Hey guys, Brett here with Kingstree Plumbing. We're going to get into the video in just a second. Note, there's a number around this video. If you need us, please give us a call. We want to help. Any questions you have, we can get you answered. There's a bunch of these videos, so if your questions aren't answered here, you can look at some of those other videos. Give us a call. There'll be a link or a button around here to jump into a chat with us if that's what you'd like to do. We want to hear from you. We want your feedback. We want to solve the problems you have. You have a fantastic day, and the question we're going to be answering today is, how do you determine the cost of a job if you're not time and material? For us, flat rate pricing is a much better way to do things. It ensures our customers know exactly what the price is going to be before we do any work, and they're not worried about how long we're taking. We give them a price and an outcome, and we deliver that outcome for that price. This is the best way to do things in our opinion, because there are no surprises. It really comes down to just us focusing on delivering the job that we've sold. We used to be time and material years ago, but we adopted the flat rate pricing method because of a few big benefits. One, no surprises. You'll receive an extremely detailed quote with multiple options before we do any work, so you're fully informed about what's going to happen and what to expect from the service. Fair and consistent pricing. We don't have any overtime rates. We just have a flat rate price book. All of our technicians charge the same amount of money. Everything's fair and consistent across all of our technicians, all of our clients. It's not down to a technician to come up with the price of a job. They have a book. It's a digital book. It's an iPad. They'll show you when they're there, but all of the prices we have are all on this iPad, and they simply select the job that they're doing, and it populates their options. The technician is still able to give you a super detailed customized quote on site, but the prices, they're all pulled from a price book which is consistent across all of our technicians and across the whole company. Our technicians can really just focus on getting the work done to the best of their ability, giving the client the best possible job, the best possible quality, the best possible service, and all of the flat rate pricing, the technology, the software, the invoicing, all of that stuff is really handled by the iPad and the computers and the back end, stuff that's happening in the back end. So it frees up our technician to focus on exactly what he's there to do, which is to do the best quality job and deliver the best quality service. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us. There'll be a number around this video. We look forward to bringing you the best service you've received, and you have a fantastic day. Bye now.